Hey guys, welcome back with a Roblox video. Today guys, we've been doing finally another video. Ragdoll engines, funny moments. Let's get started. Oh. See, I can slip off this link. I'll get the safety. Okay, let's try. No. What is these white lines for? We'll find out. What? Dude, that's how trash I am. What? I think this field can seriously barter me. Well, barter me, all you. Hey, you're supposed to barter me. That's why you miss. If I go out and then I jump back in, will you be friendly? And you just ejecting me in the air. You know what? You. Off in the hot air balloon would be better, right? Our last blue part of them all. We'll take this hot air balloon to heaven. Nice try. Nice try. Going. Oh, I almost just fell down the balloon. We're going uppity, 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 up. Yes, we're going up, higher, 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 higher. I'm scared for my life. Look how high we're going. Just look how high we're going. Go up higher. Yo, we're going a bit too high for just a hot air balloon ride. Get it? A hot air balloon ride. So, is the blue gonna pop or what? Or I'm just going to straight heaven. Viewers, tell me, what did I do? What am I supposed to do, viewers? What am I supposed to do? Viewers, goodbye forever.